Hey guys, this is the third day. I just woke up. It's 6 in the morning. It's freezing cold. It was so cold in the tent. I was able to see my own breath. We're now on our way to find the internet. Somewhere here must be some internet, so we can look for a supermarket and get some breakfast going. I slept not that super great because it was really cold last night. The people I was camping next to told me it was just incredibly cold, but now it instantly got really warm. So we will be back on the road for now. So I'm out of the supermarket right now. This is the food I've bought. I've bought some cereal, some milk that can last for a bit longer, peanut butter, banana, and the yogurt for now, and some water, and some weird bread that pretends to be a proper German bread, but it's toast. Let's take it real soon. Hey guys, I'm completely lost. I still haven't found internet since I woke up today. I had some food at the supermarket, but they didn't have Wi-Fi. This is actually kind of wild. So my plan is now to just go west till I find the internet. But the roads here are all really narrow, and now this ended me in this thing here. I don't know why I don't find service here. Honestly, I should be already way farther. This is just utterly stupid. This starts to get interesting now. Apparently on private property or something. Well, I literally do not know where to go, and I know that my place is where I'm going in the southwest, so my goal is to just go to the southwest basically. Currently going to south north. Oh, look at this lavender. This is gorgeous, if it's even lavender. We're slowly getting somewhere. So, no service still, but at least road, which already makes me happy. And I always thought Germany was bad when it came to service coverage. I've been driving around now for over an hour without internet. Well, still no luck here. Pardon, Monsieur?
Français, Allemand, Englisch?
German. Deutsch. Ich bin nach Westen, weil ich habe hier keinen Mobilfunk und ich weiß nicht mehr wohin.
Okay, du fährst zurück und dann fährst du vor Udler, vor dem nächsten, also hier das Dorf, ja. Fährst du weiter, dann kommt eine lange Gerade und das nächste Dorf ist Udler und dann ist da eine Kreuzung, geht nach links nach Espler. Ne?
Ja, da ist auch eine Sperrung. Da war ich schon.
Vorher, du musst nach links und dann fährst du wieder auf Luxemburg hin.
Vielen Dank für die Hilfe. Well guys, we finally got some help. An semi-truck turned over right here, something else on the other one. Like, both roads to west are blocked. And also, like, what language do people in like the Benelux countries speak? It's so wild. Wherever I try to talk to someone, either they only speak French, only German, only English, something that sounds like German but is not Dutch, and I'm literally so confused. Like, or you hear like an absolute mixture of all of it. It's so wild. Like, my brain is just messed up with this, and also no service. And all of a sudden I came across internet. So we're now on our way to France. Still don't have service and my phone gave up under the heat. So it's now in my pocket, and I will buy a map. When I'm in France, I will buy a map of France, because for Belgium it's not worth it anymore. For now, I'm doing the navigation by basically just asking people and following signs. I'm now on the way to Reims. Oh, there's this sign for France. Woo! To be honest, I'm so lost without my cell phone, and it's at the moment also shut off due to overheating. Just a bummer. I hope it doesn't break. Maybe, like, I was talking to a guy at a gas station with a Tenere 700, and he was like, "You don't have a GPS?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm kind of a beginner at all of this." Well, and yeah, so I'll probably just get a map. In case anyone from Belgium, that region where I just went through, is watching, like, how do you guys cope with the missing cell phone service? Like, do you all guys just use those GPS systems from like 15 years ago? Or because, like, most everyday Joe is basically using their phone, like me. So yeah. Well, as you guys can see, I now arrived in Reims at the cathedral. As you can see, I will be having a walk around here, and then we'll find myself a camping spot for the night. I now arrived at the camping site. I will build up my tent now. Still had a conversation with a few other campers, which was really nice and helped with the loneliness. Got a little bit frustrated today. Editing at McDonald's was horrible. Kids were screaming, stuff was not working. And yeah, I mean, I really enjoyed the day in Belgium, but was a little bit demotivated with the videos today. To be honest, I'm really struggling with the managing all the data on my tablet and laptop, and that's really hard. And it kind of seems like this wizard stuff that I can't figure out, and yeah, that's kind of getting to me at the moment when it comes to the videos. And with this whole YouTube stuff, the learning curve is really, really steep at the beginning.